and letting something grow. And letting something grow.
Today we're counting down 10 of the most useful medicinal plants, each with its full common and scientific name, where it grows best, and simple care tips you can use at home. Quick note, this is educational, not medical advice. Always check with a professional, especially if you're pregnant, on medication or treating a condition. Number 10. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. Chamomile is famous for calming teas and gentle digestion support. It prefers cool to mild climates and is widely grown across Europe, North America, and Asia. Care tip: give it full sun to light shade, well-drained soil, and moderate watering. Don't keep it soggy. Harvest flowers when fully open. Number 9. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia. Lavender's aromatic oils are used for relaxation and soothing skin. Native to the Mediterranean, it thrives in dry, sunny regions worldwide. Care tip: full sun, gritty, well-drained soil, and deep but infrequent watering. Prune lightly after flowering to keep it bushy. Number 8. Peppermint, Mentha times piperita. Peppermint is a classic for upset stomach and a refreshing decongestant steam. It grows best in temperate climates and is cultivated globally. Care tip: part sun to sun, consistently moist soil, and, important, grow it in a pot because it spreads aggressively. Number 7. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller. Aloe's gel is well known for soothing minor burns and irritated skin. It does best in arid and subtropical regions, and as a houseplant almost anywhere. Care tip: bright light, cactus mix, and water only when the soil dries fully. Protect it from frost. Number 6. Garlic, Allium sativum. Garlic is used traditionally for immune and heart support, and it's a kitchen essential. It grows across cool to mild regions worldwide. Care tip: plant cloves in fall or early spring, give full sun and loose soil, and water steadily until bulbs form. Then ease off so the bulbs cure well. Number 5. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. Ginger is a go-to for nausea, digestion, and warming teas. It thrives in tropical and subtropical climates like South and Southeast Asia, and can be grown indoors in cooler areas. Care tip: bright indirect light, rich soil, regular moisture, and higher humidity if you can provide it. Number 4. Turmeric, Curcuma longa. Turmeric's bright rhizome is widely used in food and traditional wellness. Native to South Asia, it loves warmth and moisture. Care tip: partial shade to sun, rich, well-drained soil, frequent watering during growth, and harvest when the leaves yellow and die back. Number 3. Holy basil, also called tulsi, Ocimum tenuiflorum. Tulsi is valued in Ayurveda for stress support and respiratory comfort. It grows best in warm climates and is common across India and other tropical regions. Care tip: full sun, regular watering, pinch the tips often to encourage bushiness and protect it from cold nights. Number 2. Echinacea, Echinacea purpurea. Echinacea is often used in immune support blends. Native to the central and eastern United States, it's hardy in many gardens. Care tip: full sun, well-drained soil, drought-tolerant once established, and deadhead for more blooms, or leave seed heads for birds. Number 1. Asian ginseng, Panax ginseng. Ginseng is a well-known adaptogenic herb used traditionally for energy and resilience. It prefers cool, forested regions of Northeast Asia and is grown in shaded woodland farms. Care tip: deep shade, rich leaf mold soil, steady moisture, and patience. Roots can take years to mature.